Hey everyone, Crash from Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona. We're just finishing up some work on Scott's 71 Buick Skylark. Cool ride. Was his first car that he bought when he was in high school, and we're getting it back on the road for him. Did some miscellaneous mechanical stuff, tune-up stuff, disc brake conversion on the front. It still had four-wheel drum brakes all the way around, so a new master. And we also did front suspension was all trashed out, so we did two ones on the front, tubular control arms on the front, and new wheels and tires that he picked out, 15x8 on the front, 15x10 on the back with some big rubber, very big rubber, stock wheel tubs, 275/60/15 on the back. No rub. It's tight, but there's no rub. And the front, 245/60. BFGs, of course. It's hard to have a muscle car without BFGs, especially when you're running 15s. It's a pretty neat car. What I like about it, it's pure. You know exactly what you're getting. And there's no way you should be afraid to drive it anywhere. It's going to be kind of a ongoing project. Drive it for a while. Do some upgrades here and there. But look out. I mean, how is that not nice? Shuts super nice. It's got a Buick 350 in it with a little bit of a cam. Flowmasters. Let me put it up in the air. You can see underneath. Show you the tubular control arms from underneath. Big and beefy. See the QA1s up in there. Coilovers are the best. You can adjust the rebound on them, the height, so you get the perfect stance. There's the disc brakes. There we go. Disc brakes, tubulars, top and bottom. QA1s. Like I said there, I love these. You can get that height dialed in just perfect for your stance. Take it in for a wheel alignment next. Big flowmasters with turn downs right behind them. Thing's got the classic muscle car sound to it. We'll drop it down. Take it for the last test drive. We're rolling. Don't put your finger over there.
Stop it. Stop.
Let's go drive a muscle car.
We call this one rotten apple.
That sounds so good. There she is. We've been calling it the villain car, but as you heard my girl say, I think Rotten Apple is the name. And get back in the sun so you can see that stance. Yeah, I like it. I like it when the top of the tire is just tucked in there just a little bit. Same front and back. There's about an 1.5 rake to it, which I think for muscle cars or anything aggressive, whether it's trucks or cars, you want like a little aggressive muscle stance to it. I think 1.5 inch, 1.25 front to back is the way to go. All right, final test drive. See, we got it all dialed in. Crazy horsepower, but fun horsepower. I definitely want to have a prompt daily in this.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, we really do appreciate it.